So we're at it again today. Looks like we might be going up until Monday doing this, but we'll see. We're close to the end of this road, and then we got like 3 more. They're not as bad, which is good. So I'll show you guys what's going on. We got those guys down yonder, sawing. Then you got me back here pressure washing. I didn't turn it all the way up so you guys could hear a little better. But this is what's going on today. Same thing as yesterday. Hope everyone has a good day. I'll check in later.